This video, I will show you how to get a TikTok streak pet fast. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into your account, and then from here you need to go ahead and head over into your inbox. So TikTok streak pet is actually a feature that you can unlock on TikTok if you've been on a 3 day streak or more with another TikTok user. So go ahead and head over into your inbox. So click on inbox at the bottom right of your screen at the left side of the profile button. So in here, go ahead and click on that conversation to where you want to unlock a TikTok streak pet. And then on that conversation, you'll find this streak pet button. So click on that. And then once you click on that, this will pop on your screen. So you'll be able to hatch a streak pet if you've been chatting with this individual consecutively for 3 days on TikTok. So that will allow you to hatch a streak pet on this conversation together. And that's basically how you can get a TikTok streak pet fast.